Imagine cruising down the open highway inside a machine that looks less like an RV and more like a futuristic palace on wheels. This isn't just another motorhome, it's a revolution in mobile luxury. A $10 million rolling mansion that's redefining what life on the road can feel like. From jaw-dropping design to technology that rivals five-star hotels, this outrageous RV proves one thing. The future of travel might just be rolling on 10 massive wheels. First, let's talk about the design, because this vehicle immediately commands attention. Stretching across the highway like a sleek land yacht, its futuristic exterior blends the elegance of a luxury coach with the bold presence of a megatruck. The aerodynamic body flows seamlessly from front to rear, while sharp LED lighting slices through the dusk like a beam from the future. Massive, polished wheels support its enormous frame, giving it the stance of a true road beast. Yet, despite its size, every curve feels intentional, sculpted to turn heads whether it's parked at a desert diner or gliding down historic Route 66. Step inside, and the transformation from vehicle to rolling mansion becomes undeniable. The interior feels less like an RV and more like a luxury penthouse that just happens to move. Panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, while soft ambient lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere after sunset. High-end leather seating, marble countertops, and custom wood finishes surround passengers with craftsmanship usually reserved for luxury yachts. At the center sits a digital command hub, massive touchscreens controlling everything from climate to entertainment. Bedrooms, lounge areas, a full kitchen, and even spa-style bathrooms make life on the road feel shockingly comfortable. But a vehicle this large still needs serious power to move. Beneath the elegant body lies a heavy-duty performance platform designed to carry this palace anywhere the road leads. A powerful turbo diesel engine paired with advanced transmission systems delivers immense torque, enough to pull this massive structure smoothly across highways and steep mountain passes. Multiple axles distribute the weight intelligently, ensuring stability even at highway speeds. The result? Despite its gigantic footprint, the ride feels surprisingly smooth, almost like gliding in a luxury train. Innovation and safety also play a huge role in making this rolling mansion possible. Advanced driver assist systems monitor blind spots, maintain lane control, and automatically adjust braking in busy traffic. High-definition cameras provide a full 360-degree view around the enormous vehicle, turning tight parking situations into manageable maneuvers. Meanwhile, smart suspension systems constantly adapt to road conditions, keeping passengers comfortable even on rough terrain. So, what about the price and the impact? With a jaw-dropping value of nearly $10 million, this RV clearly targets the ultra-luxury market. But it represents something bigger than just a motorhome. It's a glimpse into a future where travel, comfort, and freedom merge into one unforgettable machine. And honestly, the real question becomes simple. Would you rather stay at a hotel or bring the mansion with you? Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow today. And tell us in the comments which feature impressed you the most.